Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make egg avocado salad. Easy method. Start by boiling 4 eggs until firm, then cool and peel. Mash 1 ripe avocado with 1 tsp lemon juice and 1 tablespoon mayo for creamy texture. Chop eggs and fold gently to keep chunks. Season with 1/4 tsp salt, 1/8 tsp pepper, and a pinch of paprika. Serve on toast, in a wrap, or chilled for meal prep and enjoy. Start with fresh ingredients and simple tools to keep this recipe quick and tasty. Use 4 eggs, 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon mayo, and 1 tsp lemon juice to balance richness. Gently mash avocado but leave some texture for contrast. Chop eggs into medium chunks and fold once to avoid overworking. Add salt and pepper to taste, and finish with paprika or chopped herbs for brightness. Serve immediately or chill for later meal prep. Swap ingredients easily to suit your mood and pantry. Add diced celery or pickles for crunch, or stir in chopped chives or cilantro for herbal lift. Replace mayo with Greek yogurt for tang and lower fat. Mix in a pinch of mustard or a dash of hot sauce for a flavor kick. Spoon onto toast, stuff into pita, or serve over greens for a quick light meal everyone will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.